how to set your preferred time zone on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. Let's start the video. First of all, go to App Library. Here, click on Settings app. Now in Setting, scroll down and click on General Management. After click on General Management, click on Date and Time. After click on Date and Time, click on Automatic Time Zone. Make sure turn off Automatic Zone and click on Select Time Zone and click on Region. So you will select region from here, and after select region, after select region and set time zone. After select time zone, go back to home screen. So that's how you can set your preferred time zone on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.